In Office, you can customize the style and details of a chart to show everything you want. To change the title, select the chart title and type a new one. To format the amounts in the chart, such as adding dollar signs, right-click the chart, select Edit Data, and Edit Data again, and your data will appear. Select the columns you want to format. Right-click and select Format Cells. On the Number tab, select Currency and make sure the dollar sign is selected. Choose how many decimal places you want and select OK. To show exact dollar amounts for each bar, select the chart and then select Chart Elements. Select data labels to show exact amounts at the end of each bar. To see more label placement options, select the arrow next to Data Labels. To see a preview of centered numbers, pause over Center. Select Inside End, which puts them inside the end of the bar. To add a label near the dollar amounts at the bottom, select Axis Titles. For the horizontal axis, add In Thousands. To remove the vertical axis title, select that box and press Delete. To change styles, select Chart Styles. Hover over each style to preview it. Select one and your chart changes.